Hey everybody, today I want to try to help you go over the most effective and efficient way to register for courses and proceed through the program. Okay, so the program is set up for you to be able to finish within 2 years. There are 66 credits that everyone must take. And you need to be aware when you're registering so that you register only for the classes that you need when they are available so that you get through in your 2 years, because that's what we want to happen. We want you to finish the program and graduate and get a job. Okay, that's our goal. All right, so let's look at the eMAP. So this eMAP is a representation, like a little flow of how you should register. Now, keep in mind, if you are transferring, you may already have some of these courses and you may have to move around courses to different semesters to get the hours that you need, and that's perfectly fine. Also, remember that once you begin the program and you have taken Introduction to Engineering Technology, your advisors will be myself and Professor Kasimian, okay? So you will come to us each semester around registration time, and we will pull up your eMAP and we will help to guide you through registering. All right, so let's get started. So first of all, the first semester you come in, you want to take Engineering 1000, which is Introduction to Engineering Technology. Math 1111, which is College Algebra. English 1101, which is Composition and Rhetoric, and Computer Programming Fundamentals. Now, keep in mind, depending on your math skills, you may not place directly into Math 1111. And if that is the case, you will be placed into Math 0090. Okay, your goal is to get through that course in a semester. You are given, I think, up to 3 semesters. You don't want to take all that time. You need to get through Math 90 in 1 semester, okay? Because it is a prerequisite, like I have right here, of ECET 1101, which is the Circuit Analysis 1 course. You cannot take that course unless you have already taken Math 1111 or you are currently in Math 1111. So you need to get out of Math 1111 with a passing grade of a C or higher. Same thing with Composition and Rhetoric. Depending on your placement scores, you may be placed into English 0090 as well. And you want to try to get out as soon as possible because you can't take a lot of your humanities and social science courses unless you have taken English 1101. Okay, so that's the first semester. Then you move on to the second semester when you should take Circuit Analysis 1, Digital Systems 1, Math 1113, which is pre-calculus, and any core area course that you want to take. So a core area course is a humanities course or a social science course. So if we look here, you have a choice over here of all these social science courses. You can choose any one you want. Okay, and these humanities, fine arts courses, you can choose any one you want. So that is a core area course. All right. So keep in mind, Circuit Analysis 1 is a prerequisite of Circuit Analysis 2. All right. So that's why it's important that you pass math and you start taking your circuit analysis courses, because that's the pipeline. You can't take 1 before you can take 2, and then you can't take electronic circuits. So you want to make sure that you get into Circuit Analysis 1 as soon as you can. Third semester, you will take Circuit Analysis 2, Digital Systems 2, Physics 1, and Physics 1 Lab. Physics 1 Lab. Okay. Keep in mind that this program has 2 specializations. One of the specializations is electronics. The other specialization is biomedical, okay? This Circuit Analysis 2 course is a prerequisite for the first biomed course, BMAT 1231, Equipment, Function, and Operation, okay? So once again, this is why we want you to get into your circuit analysis courses as soon as possible, because They are the prerequisite to a lot of other courses. All right, we also want you to get into Physics 1 as soon as possible because that course tends to fill up, all right? And you don't want to delay graduation because you couldn't get into physics, all right? Now, Math 1113 pre-calculus is a prerequisite of Physics 1. So you have to pass that course with a C or higher in order to be able to register for Physics 1. So that's another reason why we want you to get in and get your maths out of the way, get your math courses out of the way. All right, let's move on to your fourth semester of courses. So you have Electronic Circuits 1, all right? Keep in mind that is a prerequisite of your capstone course, which you take during your last semester. CIST 1401 Networking Fundamentals. Okay, so sometimes you will see ECET 1210 along with this course. Both the Electrical Engineering and Computer Engineering Technology program and the CIST program offer this course. So since the CIST offers this course on a regular basis, we just have our students take their course, okay? So that is a CIST course, okay? You have to take a technical elective. So if you are in the electronics specialization, you get to choose from 3 technical electives from this list right here. You get to take any 3 of these courses that you want to take, okay? If you are in the biomedical specialization, you don't get to choose your courses. Your courses are already chosen for you, right? Now, keep in mind, these courses, some of them are only offered at a certain time, right? So it's important that you look at the courses, figure out which ones you're interested in so that you can sign up for them when you want to. For example, the DFTG 2010 course, the Engineering Graphics course, is only offered in the fall, right? The 3D Graphics course, SolidWorks, is only offered in the summer. Electrical Controls only offered in the spring. So you have to keep this in mind. Most of the ECET courses are offered every semester, and so our students get used to that, but not all programs work that way. So keep that in mind. Okay, you have another core area class because you have to take 1 humanities course and 1 social science course. Then you have your BMAT 1231. Keep in mind that this course is only offered in the fall and the spring, all right? And then you have, if you're the biomed specialization, you have your ALHS 1011 class, which is anatomy and medical terminology. You have to take that class as well. Then we get down to our last semester, okay? The last semester, if you're in the electronics specialization, you will take the ECET 2220 class, all right? You will take your other 2 technical electives. If you are in the BMAT specialization, you will take BMAT 2242 and the internship. So an internship is required for the biomedical specialization. And also if you're in biomed, you will take one of your core area classes. And finally, you will take the capstone course, okay? Keep in mind the capstone is only offered in the fall and the spring. It's not offered during the summer. None of the BMAT classes are offered during the summer. So that's why we plan. All right, so that is it. It's as simple as that. And you can always contact myself or Professor Kasimian if you have any questions and to help guide you through registering every semester. Have a good day. Bye.